Hi, welcome to Jack TV. To all my viewers that listen to me out there, I welcome you. Thank you for taking your time for watching me. What I'm about to share with you here is when Jesus talking to me. Jesus talking to me, not just talking to me, but showing me what's going on around the world. Every single day when I put my head on bed and put me to work, put me into a mission to change things what's going on around the world, to make the world a better place. Not me, because it's like Jesus using me. The word that I say before I came here, I say, Jesus, give me the right word to say to those people that listen to me right there. Before I do so, I pray, I put my, because those things was happening to me, and I said, man, I have to share the stuff to people that out there. I don't know. I don't have a TV station or big TV station or whatever, or I don't have none of all that other thing. But I'm thinking, I say, hey, maybe I just need to put it on YouTube. Those who see it could forward it to friend and family, all the people they around the world. Maybe my voice will, they will hear what I have to say. The real things that are really happening. I don't have the TV station to do so. I don't have all that type of thing to do so. Hey, but I say, hey, you know what? Let me just put it out there. I'm sure the story needs to be told. It wasn't just for me. When Jesus was walking inside of me, talk to me, it was Jesus using me, still using me every single day. When I go to bed, that like I'm in a mission, I'm walking. To those who know, might want to know where I'm come from, I'm from here. I mean, the fact that if you listen to some of the other video that you might want to know my background from here, where I'm coming from, where I'm talking to you right now. I was coming from a background where my father was a voodoo priest, and all that type of thing. Actually my father passed away. Before he passed away, he became a Christian, and he gave his life to Jesus. That's the best thing he could do. That's the best thing he could ever do. Give his life to Jesus. And at that time he became a pastor. He started doing mission for children in Haiti. He opened a place like called in the place in my hometown where I was born in Marmelade, that called Bellevue Marmelade. If you Google it, Marmelade, if you Google Bellevue, spelled Bellevue, B-E-L-L-V-U-E. He take a place there. He created a church there. But when I'm looking at the church, at that where he put the church, it's not in a good standard. It's not in a good standard. That's why I came. That's why I'm in a position. I finished high school and all that type of thing, and I want to get in the field of to become an architect or engineer, a civil engineer, because to do things, to be able to build. But I did not get to finish all that type of thing because of obstacle. The thing that because I'm in the country for so long a period of time, I'm an immigrant, and I never get my paper. All that type of thing become an issue for me. In order for me to go to school, to finish school, to do all that type of thing. But I have some knowledge of the architect because I did happen to go to school and get a little bit knowledge of that. But I didn't finish it to be the professional that I should be. I love to go back to school and finish it. But Jesus will work with me. Jesus will do the thing. I'm sure, He will do the thing, all that type of thing. He will help me, accomplish my goal and all that type of thing. Lord Jesus, walk with me. It make me see. Jesus make me see things. Because my prayer, whenever I used to pray, I always saying, Jesus make me see things more clearly, make me understand things more clearly, the thing that's going on around the world, so I could be part of it. I could be in a mission. Use me, Jesus, use me. And all of a sudden, Jesus actually, you put me, my prayer was answered. My prayer was answered. But guys, to be honest with you, the thing that I see that I was going through, it wasn't easy. It wasn't an easy task. Things kind of calmed down right now for me. But I was in a position where people think that was happening to me at that type of thing, at that type of period. You know, because you still, since your father was to be a voodoo priest, but you become a Christian, but you have to know those roots, because part of his family in Haiti are still doing that. Those roots are still there. It's not a joke. And the fact that, you know, say for me to get myself out of that way, to become a Christian, I follow my father's footsteps. You know, become a Christian, start praying, and all that type of thing. But the thing that sometimes I see myself flying all over Haiti, you know, say the people that are doing good, I tell them to stop doing that. Don't do that. This thing is not gonna get you anywhere. You know, stop it. Give your life to Jesus, because He's the one. He's the one that's died for you. He's the one that died for you in order for you to die for your sin, all that type of thing. Give your life to Jesus. There's no one else. This is the only man, Jesus Christ. You know, I see myself flying all over this town and all that type of thing, throwing my hand to those people so I could take that curse away from them, to tell them to change their life. You know, at that period of time, and all of a sudden, because those things, while I'm flying over there, I'm feeling some people, the pain of those people going inside to my body, so I can get those things out of them, so that those curse out of them, those things that I feel is while I'm in the bed. This is how I'm feeling. I'm talking about my eyes is closing like this, but while it's closing like this, and I'm in this mission, it's like whenever I see this thing is too hard for me, too tough for me, and I'm praying, Jesus, keep me strong, keep me focused, keep me strong, give me strength, give me energy, give me strength, give me power in order for me to fight those demons, in order for me to fight those things. I said, Jesus, keep me strong and strong, give me more strength. You know, this time is tough for me, so that I have to wake up. Jesus! Oh Lord. Guys, this is for real. I'm telling you this is for real. If you're watching this, if you don't have Jesus in your life yet, don't waste any time. It's coming very soon. Jesus is coming soon.